Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the language on the Life360 app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your device settings. This is where all your system-level configurations are managed, and it's the key to changing language settings for individual apps on your device. Once you're in settings, scroll down and look for the option labeled Language and Input. Go ahead and tap on it. This section controls all the language-related settings for your device and the apps installed on it, making it the central hub for managing how text and interface elements are displayed. Next, within the Language and Input menu, you'll see an option called App Languages. Tap on this option to proceed. This feature is particularly useful because it allows you to customize the language for specific apps independently without changing your entire device language. This means you can have your phone in one language while using Life 360 in another, which is perfect for multilingual users or anyone learning a new language. Now you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device that support multiple languages. Scroll through this list until you find Life 360, then tap on it. This will open up the language selection menu specifically for the Life 360 app, showing you all the available language options that the app supports. Here's where you'll see all the languages that Life 360 offers. Take a moment to browse through the list and find the language you want to use. The languages are typically listed alphabetically, making it easy to locate your preferred option. Whether you're looking for Spanish, French, German, or any other supported language, you'll find it in this menu. Once you've found your desired language, simply tap on it to select it. The moment you tap, your selection will be applied automatically. Life 360 will now display all its menus, notifications, and interface elements in the language you've chosen, making the app more accessible and comfortable for you to use. And that's it, you've successfully changed the language on your Life 360 app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.